Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video, and today I keep putting my hands in front of the camera. Anyways, let's do a bit of a house tour of my new leaf house. Okay, so this is my main house. I'm dying of allergies right now. It suck. Anyways, yes, you can see my beautiful phone work. It's a beautiful house. You see this? You see how beautiful this is? It's the 3DS right here. It's an absolutely beautiful house. Now, if we go over to up here, though, we should have a little bit of a house. We should have a bit more house. Would you look at that? There's a bit more house. There you go. That's a bit better. You just... What the f... Whoa, what just happened? Okay, it's fine. Nope. Okay, there we go. That's going outside, Chief. You hate to see it. Well, let's give a bit of an outside tour. We're gonna go right back inside. This is the outside. This is a cat. Please, go away, cat. You know, re-entering your house. Okay, now we are going to go to the upstairs. Why? Because I said so. No, this is a great place. This is where I do my music. If you just do that the entire time, the drum, it actually goes with the song, whatever. Because now we're going downstairs. What the heck are you doing, cat? What are you doing? Anyways, back to the video. I don't believe we visited this place yet. Uh-oh. Hello, cat. And goodbye. Frick, it didn't work. And goodbye. Here we are. Welcome to my crib. This room has cost more than $1 million each room. My house costs over $1 million. Just the second to last house renovation together cost $1 million. It is insane. It's more like 1,100,000 bells. But it's not. Jesus Christ, I am dying. Anyway. I can go with the song. Anyways, yep, it's a beautiful house. Now we go down to the basement. This is the secret place where the HHA can't see it. For what will be obvious reasons. key for this. I'm gonna go down to the basement, fam. Now this basement is absolutely amazing. It's an amazing basement. These things right here, all these bugs and stuff, worth way more than $158,000. That's not even a joke. See this bug right here? Tiny scrab beetle, I believe it is. Alright, let me check. Yeah, so let's just go over here. Yeah, it's a scrab beetle. It's worth $6,000. Then I got this boy in here. 10,000, 10,000, 8,000, 12,000. I believe 10,000, 10,000, 12,000, 6,000. I got all those in there. Okay. Here's a horned elephant. Right there. And I believe I have 2 horned elephants for some reason. Oh no, that's a horned Hercules right here. This boy that I'm walking up against. This is the Goliath beetle. That is a Cyclometal stag. This is giant stag. Rainbow stag. Horned atlas. Golden beetle. Golden stag. Beetle. And then I got some little fish here. And these 2 fish alone together are worth $30,000. They're called the sea locusts. They can only be caught during rain and late at night. Or later at night, 4 p.m. Okay, then we got a shark with this, which is worth a lot. I don't really know much about them. I don't know how much it costs. Anyways, that's it for the house tour. This is a beautiful thumbnail. Goodbye.